Special treat. We picked this up off of Wish. This is a 4K sport cam. It's supposed to be like an SJ8000, which as far as I can tell, and as far as all research has shown me, doesn't actually exist. So apparently the company that produced the SJ model stopped at like 5,000, which is probably why there's no branding whatsoever anywhere on the box. It doesn't say anything about a company. Same thing probably in here. However, there is still a camera and accessories. And so obviously the camera was still produced. And you know, what I found a lot is that just because the item isn't produced by some kind of a major company doesn't mean it isn't actually still a legit working item. So as we pull everything out all at once, because I want to get rid of some of the packaging, we're going to start taking a look at things one by one. So we've got instructions. We don't need those. Here we've got the actual camera itself. It appears to be inside of its waterproof housing. Now, one thing that I've read about is that getting these things off can sometimes be tough. So what they've recommended is that you grab something that you can pry with. In this case, I'll use a spoon, and you pry up. There you go. Pry it up so that way you can pop it off, and then you can pull the case off and actually get out your camera. So there is no cover right here. I don't know. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit here. There is no cover at all right here, so it's not going to be waterproof at all unless it's inside of the waterproof housing. So just make sure to make a note of that. But this is the camera on all sides. And then this is that waterproof housing that we were just talking about. It's pretty difficult to flop this thing up. Hopefully that means it's actually really waterproof. Buttons. And this one here on the front serves a dual purpose. It can be a power button, and it can also be a mirror, so that way you can see what it is that you're taking a picture of. And then you've got your standard sport mount down here on the bottom. Alright, so let's take a look.